AWS Well-Architected Framework. Pillar 3. Reliability. It is the ability of a system to recover from infrastructure or service disruptions, dynamically acquire computing resources to meet demand, and mitigate disruptions such as misconfigurations or transient network issues. Design principles for reliability. Test recovery procedures. In AWS, test how your system fails, and validate your recovery procedures. Use automation to simulate different failures, or to recreate scenarios that led to failures before. This exposes failure pathways that you can test and rectify before a real failure scenario, reducing the risk of components failing that have not been tested before. Automatically recover from failure. By monitoring a system for key performance indicators, one can trigger automation when a threshold is breached. This allows for automatic notification and tracking of failures, and for automated recovery processes that work around or repair the failure. With more sophisticated automation, it's possible to anticipate and remediate failures before they occur. Scale horizontally to increase aggregate system availability. Replace one large resource with multiple small resources to reduce the impact of a single failure on the overall system. Distribute requests across multiple, smaller resources to ensure that they don't share a common point of failure. Stop guessing capacity. A common cause of failure in on-premises systems is resource saturation, when the demands placed on a system exceed the capacity of that system. In AWS, one can monitor demand and system utilization, and automate the addition or removal of resources to maintain the optimal level to satisfy demand, without over or under provisioning. Manage change in automation. Changes to your infrastructure should be done using automation. The changes that need to be managed are changes to the automation. Next part will explain performance efficiency pillar and its principles. Thank you. If you want to know more about various AWS services and AWS certification courses, reach out to us on the following links.